Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You have the essentials: client name, phone, address, and website. Start now. Open Google Maps and sign in. Being logged in reveals business profiles and editing options. Enter the exact business name in the search bar, then add city or street to narrow results. If nothing appears, paste the phone number or website URL into the search instead. This forces Google to match contact data. Once you see candidate pins, click to view the profile details and confirm the correct listing before moving on. Now inspect the map card thoroughly to verify it's your client. Compare the address, phone number, hours, and website. These fields usually match business records. Use Street View and photos to match storefronts and signage. This removes ambiguity when names are generic. If multiple listings exist, use the coordinates or shortened URL to confirm which one clients use. Also note whether the profile shows owned by this business or claim this business. That tells you if you can request access or need to create a claim. Once confirmed, copy the place ID, share link, and coordinates into your client file so you can return instantly. If no listing exists, the only reliable next step is to create or claim a Google business profile using the exact legal address and phone. Follow verification prompts. If details mismatch, search for duplicate listings and request merging or report an edit. If verification fails, advise the client to accept the mailed postcard or phone verification to complete ownership and resolve access issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.